This re/max distinctive property video is presented by Phillip Gore. Beautiful home in Midtowne with open floor plan west/wood floors and plantation shutters in main living areas. Isolated owner's suite west/glamour bath west/double vanity, tub, separate shower and walk-in closet. Greatroom with fireplace west/gas logs, large dining room and kitchen west/stainless appliances, granite counters and pantry. Large covered front porch and double garage west/opener. Refrigerator, washer and dryer remain. Pool and clubhouse access included. Call to see. No Section 8. Pets are case-by-case basis. Application fee is $75 per applicant. Security deposit $2,500. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Gore at 256-882-2223.